Sarcoidosis is truly a mystery disease. Very little answers or help exists for the approximately 200,000 patients in the US alone. In the field of sarcoidosis, research is barren. Almost zero funding, very few researchers, and minimal knowledge or even motivation exist. Yet the disease is prevalent and can be deadly. While the stories from patient to patient are varied, the overall message is always the same. What can help me deal with the burden of this disease? Patients, thousands of them, continue to suffer with very few answers. It can take over 15 years and $1 billion to bring just one new therapy from lab to market. All patients, including sarcoidosis sufferers, cannot wait that long, and no one is infusing those kinds of dollars into this rare disease. Foundations are changing the world of medical research, accelerating the drug discovery process through multiple approaches. The foundation of sarcoidosis research emulates the top models of disease research foundations. FSR takes the risk out of the research space by filling gaps to accelerate translational research. With a strategic research agenda and a patient-centric focus, we are collaborating, funding, and educating toward more answers along the lines of the sarcoidosis research spectrum. In addition, FSR embraces a new model of medical research support that counters the traditional establishment. Emulating the venture philanthropy fostered by Faster Cures, FSR seeks innovative opportunities to leverage our capital for higher risk investments that could significantly move the field of research forward and increase others' investments. FSR raises capital and invested into novel high-risk research that, while extremely promising, might not be able to compete successfully for public funds. FSR's investments support highly promising opportunities that get stuck in the medical research valley of death. Our entrepreneurial approach provides venture capital tied to ROI via philanthropic support. FSR also invests into the education and advocacy necessary to truly alter the status quo. We provide extensive resources for patients and all stakeholders to ensure full access to information and engagement towards change. With help of our strategic partners and investors, FSR produces game-changing initiatives toward improved therapies and a cure. Let's change lives for these patients. Please, help us change the lives of patients by changing the face of science. Donate now to support our initiatives and meet with FSR to identify investment opportunities toward drug development.